Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of video editing, specifically focusing on a tool that's been making waves lately, Descript. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, you're in the right place. But you might be wondering, what exactly is Descript, and how does it use artificial intelligence to revolutionize the editing process? Well, let's break it down together. Descript is an innovative audio and video editing software that leveraged AI technology to streamline the editing process. Think of it as a text editor for your audio and video files. That's right, when you edit in Descript, you're essentially editing a document that contains a transcript of all the spoken words in your media. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. When you upload your audio or video, Descript automatically transcribes it using advanced speech recognition algorithms. This means you can see your script typed out word for word, making the editing process feel more intuitive and familiar, especially if you're used to working with text documents. Now, let's talk about how this AI technology simplifies editing. Traditionally, editing video can be a cumbersome process involving multiple software tools, complex timelines, and a lot of manual labor. But with Descript, you can edit your video just like you would a Word document. Want to cut out a section? Just highlight the text and hit delete. Your video will be automatically updated to reflect that change. Imagine needing to remove a long pause or an from your footage. Instead of searching through the video frame by frame, you simply find the corresponding text in the transcript and remove it. Descript takes care of the rest, trimming the video to match your edits. This not only saves time but also reduces the frustration often associated with traditional video editing. But that's not all. Descript also offers features like overdub, which allows you to create a voice model of your own voice. This means you can type in text and the AI will generate an audio scene of you speaking those words in your own voice. It's perfect for correcting mistakes or adding new dialogue without needing to re-record your entire audio. Let's say you recorded a podcast episode but realized you mispronounced a word. Instead of re-recording the whole segment, you can simply type the correct word into Descript and it will generate that part for you. This feature can be a game changer for podcasters and content creators alike. Now, you might be wondering about the accuracy of the transcription. Descript's AI is quite advanced, but like any technology, it's not perfect. It works best with clear audio and minimal background noise. However, they've provided tools to easily edit the text if the AI misinterprets something, ensuring that your final product is polished and professional. Moreover, Descript includes collaborative features that make it ideal for teams. You can share projects with team members, leave comments, and make edits in real time. This is particularly beneficial for remote teams working on a project as it allows for seamless communication and workflow. Another interesting aspect of Descript is its integration with various platforms. You can easily export your projects to platforms like YouTube or even publish directly to social media. This makes it incredibly convenient for content creators who want to share their work without jumping through multiple hoops. So, to summarize, Descript is not just any ordinary video editing software. It's a powerful tool that harnesses the capabilities of AI to transform the way we edit audio and video. From transcribing spoken words to enabling voice cloning with overdub, Descript simplifies editing and enhances productivity for creators of all levels. If you're looking to streamline your editing process and make your content creation more efficient, Descript might just be the tool you need. Why not give it a try? And if you've used Descript before, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What features do you find most helpful? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and content creation. Until next time, keep creating and sharing your stories. Bye for now.